Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will explain to you what Bitcoin is and how does it work. Let's roll. The first cryptocurrency came to the world on January the 9th, 2009. Bitcoin follows the ideas set out in a white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto. But the identity of the person or persons who created the Bitcoin technology is still a mystery. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user without the need for intermediaries. Basically, Bitcoin is like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins and make transactions hard to reverse and difficult to fake. Bitcoin is fundamentally different from all the previously created electronic currencies and payment systems. It is not tied to any physical asset or official flat currencies, and the price of BTC is regulated exclusively by the market demand and supply. Bitcoin has a big similarity to gold. It is limited. Let's dive into Bitcoin's price history and its main milestones. At the beginning of Bitcoin history, its price was ridiculously low. The first exchange of BTC to US dollars was made in the summer of 2009 when Marty Malmy received $5.02 US for his 5,050 Bitcoins. In 2010, events in the cryptocurrency market began to develop more intensively. The Bitcoin Market Exchange was opened, where it was possible to sell the digital coin. In May of this year, the most well-known deal with Bitcoin had happened. The programmer Laszlo Hanech bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC. It was the first purchase using cryptocurrency in the real world. During the year 2014, 1 BTC was equal to $770. Many investors began to consider Bitcoin as a potential investment, as Bitcoin price predictions seemed quite attractive. In 2016, Japan declared Bitcoin as a currency and allowed to use it to pay for goods and services. South Africa was the next who did the same. The Bitcoin price has reached a new level of $950 per coin. The year 2017 was an incredible period in respect of BTC price. On December the 17th, the Bitcoin price achieved a record and was over $20,000. How did this happen? Here are some reasons that experts point due to the growth of Bitcoin price. China resumed cash out of Bitcoins from the Chinese cryptocurrency exchanges. The United States officially allowed trading futures for Bitcoin. The number of companies and people who were buying BTC increased as they considered Bitcoin the profitable investment. Starting from last year, we have witnessed a significant increase in crypto adoption. The world's leading media reported a record investing inflow from huge institutional companies in Bitcoin. Financial giants like PayPal and Visa announced support of Bitcoin. And even Elon Musk said he was a big supporter of Bitcoin. No wonder that in March 2021, the Bitcoin price skyrocketed to its new highs, almost $62,000. We can say that today Bitcoin is a truly digital equivalent of gold, and the future will be unique for the crypto community. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.